Create funny and entertaining animations from drawings and pictures using this free AI tool. You can also use this to motivate your children by animating their drawings. Let's check it out.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will see how we can animate drawings and images using a fun AI tool, which is absolutely free, at least at the time of recording this video. Let's check it out. Step 1, launch your browser and go to Google. In the search box, write Sketch Meta Demo Lab. As you can see, this name already pops up here. Click on this. Click on this link provided here, or you can use the link of the website provided in the description box below. Click on Get Started. Then come here and upload your photo. I have previously selected a photo. I'm gonna upload it. Once the photo is uploaded, click on Next. Click on Agree. As you can see, the website selects the image for you. You can drag this box to select the image as per you feel it's appropriate. Click on Next. Then the website automatically creates a mask over your image. You can use the pencil tool or the eraser tool along with the various thickness options to adjust the mask if it's not properly masked your image. Once you're satisfied with the mask which is created, just click on Next. Now this part is very important. Just use all these various points to ensure that all the joints are properly covered, which ensures that the animation is nice. Just extend, and they have also provided the instructions on the left hand side over here. Extend this here further. I'm satisfied with this. Click on Next, and the animation should be ready. Here you can see this. All these options are available here. Let's check out a few. Let me click on Down. Play. Check out the next one. Okay, now let's see a funny animation. Click on this. Let's see. Let's click on this one. Let's click on this one. Let's check out the jumping animations. Let's click on the first one. Let's click on this one. Now let's see this. Let's see the walking animations. Let's click on this. Let's click on this one. Click on the zoom button to see the animation. If you like what you're seeing, just right click and download the video to your computer. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, do check this video out also, which is about a cool animation AI tool. If you don't have time right now, save this for later, because nothing is more important than your time. I will continue to try to make more videos which will help us in our shared journey of self-improvement. Thank you and see you soon.